Some of the children in Ghana are on vacation, and you know how food runs out when the kids are home. So today I'll be sharing some snacks I make when my kids go on vacation. But before I start, I'm going to energize myself with a cold glass of Milo. Bear in mind that I shot this video over a period of 3 days, so you can also try that and have more of the snacks in stock when your kids come on vacation. Besides these homemade treats, you can also buy some from the stores to support. So to begin, I'm making some abili walls or ice cream or popsicles. Okay, this is the coconut abili walls I shared a few videos back. I'll leave the link in the description box. But aside that, I have a playlist of snacks and treats. I'll leave that playlist in the description box so you check it out, because I have a lot of flavors of ice cream which you can try for the kids, whether they're on vacation or not. I also went ahead to make some popcorn. So this was all the corn I had left, so I just used it. I know it was small, but I mean, I had to use it and then add it to the rest of the snacks for variety. I also have two popcorn recipes on my channel. Like I said, I'll leave the link in the description box so you make some for the kids and yourself for movie nights or whenever. Meanwhile, if this is your first time here, my name is Yasmi and this is the Taste and Bloom Kitchen. You're so welcome. Please consider subscribing and joining this amazing family. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for coming back to watch my videos. Please let's not all forget to keep giving me a thumbs up, keep leaving comments down below, and then share the video once you're done watching. And let's keep the blooming family growing. Next, I made some fruit juice. So these pineapples and watermelons would have gone bad if I'd left them in the fridge. So I decided to just juice them up before they do, okay? Again, I have other juice videos on my channel, all of which will be in my snack and treat playlist. So please go through them, go through the playlist, I mean, and then make a pick. And also my boys love mashed kinky. So I added that to the snacks as well. So you can make a variety of them. I have two different ones on my channel. You can choose between any and then add or take away any of the ingredients as you please. Also, I made some condensed milk toffees. So here, this is a basic recipe I use. But on my channel as well, I have two very unique condensed milk toffee recipes. One is flavored with mango, fresh mango, and then the other is flavored with fresh bananas. So please check those out and make these nutritiously yummy homemade recipes for your bloomers. I'm sure you're going to enjoy them yourself. Thank you so much for staying with me in this video. Please don't forget to like, give a comment down below and share once you're done watching, and keep blooming.